Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is November STL 2023, Part 3 for Patreon STL files for D&D, Warhammer proxies, anime, and video game figures as well. And we'll be starting out. Before that, subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't, if you do enjoy it. We are starting with one-page rules. We are getting Vampire of the Undead and the Dwarf Guild for the tanks for it. And you have a big knoll monster that's coming out of the ground. That looks pretty cool. Oh, sludge and slime and stuff, and it's armored. Oh, that's kind of cool. For it, and the little guy that's there. So yeah, that'd be kind of cool to have for it. You got some vampires, vampire ladies. I have too many freaking vampires and undeads, bats. They're mostly for Age of Sigmar, um, but you can actually put them in your game. But you must, have a good elaborate story for it. You can make your own world however you want it as well. Let's see here, next one. We got Daybreak Miniatures. So we got a Tortle. Cool looking Tortle, look very menacing too. With shit like freaking nailed to his back of his shell. I didn't want that one. Oops. So it looks like I have some kind of Tortle stuff for it. GM3D. What do we got for GM3D for November? I think it's Nami and Catwoman. Yeah. So we got Catwoman and Nami. That's gonna be in your or for November as well. It's got a better bust. Yeah, big titties bust. Mm-hmm. Gotta love those titties. Azurama, another figure as well. November guest model, Francis Drake. So we got Inaki script. Not bad. We got Pride Chick. We got Millen. I forgot from Reincarnated a Slime. And we got Vax from the freaking the anime from Amazon by the Critical Roles. Zahan Studio. Other anime figures. We'll be getting Rin Tosaka from Fate, and Miss Misato from Evangelion for November. Raven Eye, hopefully something good for Raven Eye. We got Bowser with the flower, but they usually do like actual figures, but I like the. I don't need no more Mario stuff. Bruno Art 3D Studio, another figure. Let's see what they have. They got Zentana, Supergirl, and stuff. But the thing, I just don't like it. It's like I don't want to pay to look at your work that I want to buy. Oshiyama, Oceana Minis for November release. These are good for like for sea battles for D&D, or you can do Tyranids. Some of them you can have actually good Tyranids for it as well. But there's not much out yet for November, so we go come back for this. Cyberforge Middies. So they may have something worthwhile for me to get for November. I actually stopped getting them because just too many stuff. So we got Tyranids, Titan City, like Cyberpunk, and Hyperion Front. It's like one of those ship battles for it. Not really care much. I don't know one to play Cyberpunk with. And we have this. So these looks like Hydralisk. These look more for like Zerg looking thing right now. Because these looks like Hydralisks. Not Hydralisk, Mutalisks. But yeah. Oh well. If you're interested, go for it. It's like $10 for all of them. Ped Sequels. This is the one I usually get the most. Haven't got them really recently. Trying to see if they have the November one. So we got November preview. Spectre Slaves. Predator with a freaking jetpack. Oh, it's fucking funny. There's a Skull Hunter, Sakura, Bio Boost. This is like well armored Predator right here. Apex print, but I think all of this is what you're going to see. They always change this every month, so this is what you're going to see. What's going to be in the future of the things. They have their own tabletop rules too. If you really enjoy it. Dragon Tapers Lodge. This is October. I don't think they released anything for November yet for Dragon Tapper Lodge. But yeah. Hamark. I don't think there's going to see much there. It's basically 40k and Age of Sigmar for it. Home collection. 50% welcome pack. So concept art. This is for 40k. Age of Sigmar. So we're getting the tombs. This is a sci-fi one. More Space Marines with Lightning Claws, Power Fist. I think we're getting Terminators and Terminators on speeders, on bikes. And so we got some Tyranids, looks like it. And Necrons. Yep, and we're getting Necrons. There's not that many Necron people actually make for files for some reason. Probably it's just too many corners and stuff. Crippling God Foundries. It's too small. So we're getting some kind of monster. And the Awakening. So it looks like they're doing their version. This looks like a Gene Stealers over here. And Hive Tyrant right there. These are Tyranids. But I do want to make them bigger. Can I make them bigger? There we go. Doesn't help me much, but it does help out a lot. So we got Minotaurs. Three-eyed Minotaurs. Goats. Pig folk. Well, back then they were called orcs. Orcs were actually like pig face. And we got ram. So we got beastmen. So you actually use this for Age of Sigmar as well. Balaxar 3D. November. So we're doing the Conan style for November. That's actually pretty cool. We finally getting something useful. Conan. Oh yeah. The old school Conan with big titties. Peach figures. We're getting another Nami. And her Halloween outfit. And we're getting Storm as well. Cal 3D Studio, another figures. We are getting Karlach. We've seen a lot of Karlach. We haven't seen we haven't seen Gale or anything else. Lady Loki. And November we'll get Jean, Lynn, Kathna, Silk, Yugi, and Android 18 for upcoming. This will be the last one for this part. Legion's Miniatures. They do Marvel and DC miniatures for it. So let's see here. I think this next one's going to be, this is Marvel. And the next one will be DC. I like the Joker sitting on a chair with a gun and a detonator. That would be kind of cool. So yeah, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the link below. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Take care.